Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sandeep Pake, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Now, I am going to present a lecture on the topic admission of a partner. In this video, we shall work out problem number 15. This question already appeared for the examination, which carries 24 marks. Please see problem. The following is the balance sheet of Bhavya and Ramya as at 31st March 2020. Kavya is admitted as a partner as on that date when the position of the firm was as follows. New partner, Kavya. Okay, balance sheet given, asset side, please see, debtors, buildings, machinery, stock, cash at bank given, liabilities, capitals, Bhavya, Ramya. This will appear on the credit side of partners, capital account as by balance brought down. Creditors given, okay, reserves recorded on the credit side of partners capital account by reserve, distributed according to old ratio given in the problem. Bhavya and Ramya shared profit in the ratio of 3:2 ratio distribute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Workman compensation fund 4,000 given. Please see any adjustment given in the problem. Point number 3, the liability on workman compensation fund is determined at rupees 3,000. Now the liability for workman compensation fund is rupees 3,000. Okay, 4,000 ಇದೆ, ಇವಾಗ liability ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು 3,000ಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. It means that 1,000 liability workman compensation fund transfer to old partners capital account. Understand? liability reduce ಆಗಿದೆ. Understand? 1,000 ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಕ್ಮನ್ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್. Number 1, revaluation of assets. Building 25,000, stock 26,000, debtors to be reduced by rupees 2,000. Okay, building 25,000. In the balance sheet, it was given 15,000. Now its value 25,000. Appreciation. Okay, 25,000 minus 15,000. How much? 10,000. Recorded on credit side by building 10,000 in revaluation account. Understand? Next, stock 26,000 given. Okay, 20,000 given in the balance sheet. Now its value 26,000. Appreciation credit side recorded. Okay, by stock account 26,000 minus 20,000, 6,000 in revaluation account. Okay. Next, debtors to be reduced by rupees 2,000. Debtors to be reduced by rupees 2,000. Debtors value kadime agide, asset value kadime adre, okay, it will shown on debit side of revaluation account. 2 debtors 2,000. Understand? Next, number 2, Kavya brought her share of goodwill rupees 12,000 in cash. In this problem, new partner's share of goodwill given. Okay, it has to be recorded on credit side of partners capital account by bank account. Amount recorded in Kavya's column. ನಲ್ಲಿ amount ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದರಾಯಿತು. Next, the liability on workman compensation fund already treated. In the balance sheet, closing balance sheet, you have to record how much? 3,000. Okay, liability side ಅಲ್ಲಿ workman compensation fund ಅಂತ 3,000 ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Understand? Next, number 4, Kavya was to bring further cash as would make her capital equal at 25% of combined capital of Bhavya and Ramya after the above adjustments. Okay. In this problem, new partners capital not given directly. Okay, you have to find out new partners capital, Kavya. Okay, her capital must and should equal at 25% of combined capital of Bhavya and Ramya. Okay, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಭವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ರಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಭವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ 25% ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 25% ಆಫ್ ಭವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. 25% ಆಫ್ ಭವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾವ್ಯ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಇದು ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿನ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the future profit sharing ratio is 2:2:1. Okay, in this problem old ratio given as well as new ratio. With this ratio you have to compute sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is necessary to distribute goodwill among old partners. Understand? First working note, calculation of sacrifice ratio. Understand? Next, prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. Understand? Okay, please see solution. Please see solution. Note 1, calculation of sacrifice ratio. First of all, write down name of partners. One partner. First write down Bhavya, next write down Ramya, next write down Kavya. Completed. Next, write down old ratio given in the problem, 3:2. Under Bhavya write down 3, under Ramya write down 2. Next, new ratio given in the problem, 2:2:1. Write down 2:1. Understand? Next, use the formula sacrifice ratio equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Understand? Bhavya, her old ratio 3:2, 3/5 minus 2/5 equal to common factor 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. Understand? 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 equal to how much? 1. Understand? Ramya, her old ratio 2/5 minus her new ratio 2/5. Common factor 5, you know, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Sacrifice ratio 1:0. It means that, okay, whatever amount brought by Kavya as goodwill, that belongs to Bhavya. Understand? Distribution of goodwill, you know, entry Kavya's account equal to Bhavya's account. New partners capital account equal to old partners capital account. Kavya's account equal to Bhavya's account. Okay. How much? 12,000. Okay, next prepare revaluation account. Okay, I already told you building appreciation. Write down by building 25,000 minus 15,000. How much? 10,000. By stock 26,000 minus 20,000. How much? 6,000. Okay, debtors to be reduced by rupees 2,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, decrease in asset. Okay, write down 2 debtors 2,000. Okay, only 3 information given. Okay, please refer point number 1. Okay, yes, find out which side shows more balance. Credit side shows more balance, 16,000. Next, write down debit side 16,000. 16,000 minus 2,000 equal to how much? 14,000. Okay, this revaluation profit transfer to old partners capital account. Write down to old partners capital account. Understand? 14,000 distributed in old ratio 3:2. Understand? Bhavya will get 8,400. Ramya will get 5,600. 14,000 into 3/5. 14,000 into 2/5. Understand? Next, prepare partners capital account. Draw necessary column. Debit side write down particular Bhavya, Ramya, Kavya. Credit side particulars Bhavya, Ramya, Kavya. Please write rupees in amounts column. Okay, write one by one. First write down old partners capital given in the balance sheet. By balance brought down. Bhavya column 15,000. Next Ramya column write down 12,000. Okay. Yes. Capital recorded. Next reserves 26,000 given. Okay. By reserve 26,000 in the ratio of 3:2. How much? 15,600, 10,400. 26,000 into 3 by 5. 26,000 into 2 by 5. Understand? Next, workman compensation fund. Now liability determined rupees 3,000. Okay, 4,000 minus 3,000. 1,000 distributed to old partner. By workman compensation fund 1,000 in the ratio of 3:2. How much? 600, 400 dash. Understand? 1,000 into 3 by 5. 1,000 into 2 by 5. Completed. Next, write down revaluation profit. By revaluation account 8,400, 5,600. Okay. Next, let's see adjustment. Point number 2. Kavya brought her share of goodwill rupees 12,000 in cash. Okay, when new partner brings cash towards goodwill, entry bank account debtor to Kavya's capital account. Understand? By bank account. First column put a small dash, second column put a small dash, last column write down 12,000. Okay, write in bracket goodwill. This goodwill distributed among old partner. Understand? Entry new partner Kavya's capital account debtor to old partner's capital account, Bhavya's capital account. Understand? Only Bhavya sacrifice her share of profit to Kavya. Understand? Okay. First write in ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೊದಲು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಾವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟರ್ ಟು ಭವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಭವ್ಯ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಫುಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಭವ್ಯ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? 12,000 ಟು ರಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಿಲ್. ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ 12,000 ರೇಷಿಯೋ 1:0. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾರ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಭವ್ಯಾಳ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೈ ಕಾವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಭವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ 12,000, ರಮ್ಯಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಿಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಓವರ್, ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಓವರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ 4. Kavya was to bring further cash as would make her capital equal to 25% of combined capital of Bhavya and Ramya after the above adjustment. Now you have to find out the combined capital of Bhavya and Ramya. Okay, understand? Write down one entry by bank account. Okay, capital brought by Kavya. We have to find out this one. Okay, how do you find out? Okay, first of all, find out closing capital of Bhavya. Okay, closing capital how much? Okay, credit balance minus debit balance. 15,000 plus 15,600 plus 600 plus 8,400 plus 12,000. How much? 51,600. Please see debit side. Is there any entry recorded here? No entry recorded. Understand? Okay, don't write this one. Two balance carried down. Okay, understand? 51,600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಭವ್ಯಾಳ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ 51,600. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? 12,000 plus 10,400 plus 400 plus 5,600. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 28,400. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಎಸ್, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 28,400. ಓಕೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 51,600 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 28,400. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 80,000. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಭವ್ಯ ಅಂಡ್ ರಮ್ಯಾ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾವ್ಯಾಳ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದರ 25%. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? 80,000 into 25%. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 20,000. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. ವೆನ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು Kavya's capital account. By bank account capital, last column write down 20,000. Understand? Yes, we recorded everything. Then leave one line, find out which side shows more balance. Okay. You already calculated balance of Bhavya. Write down 51,600. Okay. Ramya 28,400. Kavya 12 plus 20. How much? 32,000. Write it in debit side. 51,600, 28,400, 32,000. Okay. Here. Okay. Total ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ write down. Two balance carried down. First column 51,600. Second column 28,400. Third column 32,000 minus 12,000. How much? 20,000. Understand? By balance brought down 51,600. 28,400, 20,000. This is closing balance of partners after all adjustment. Okay, next prepare balance sheet. In the middle of the page, write down name of the partners, Bhavya, Ramya and Kavya. Next, write down heading balance sheet as on 1st April 2020. Okay, draw necessary column, write down liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. Okay, first write down current assets, next investment, next fixed asset. Understand? Yes. Okay. Cash at bank given in the problem. How much? 3,000. Okay, write down bank. Opening balance 3,000 plus. Please see partners capital account. Credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ buy bank ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ add ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೇ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್, ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 12,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20,000. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ 3,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20,000. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 35,000. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ debtors. Given in the problem 16,000. Now it's reduced by rupees 2,000. Okay, write down debtors 16,000 less return of 2,000, outer column 14,000. Next, stock revaluation account ನೋಡಿ, appreciation ಇದೆ 6,000, add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Stock balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು 20,000, add appreciation 6,000, outer column 26,000. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು 15,000, ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ 10,000, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 10,000, 25,000. ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ 15,000, ನೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ 12,000, ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. Reserves already adjusted. Now workman compensation fund is determined at rupees 3,000. Point number 3 note kodbeku. Write down workman compensation fund 3,000. 4,000 minus 1,000. Next, write down capitals. Bhavya closing capital 51,600. Ramya 28,400. Kavya 20,000. Find out total. Asset side 1,15,000, liability side 1,15,000. Okay, these are some information relating to problem number 50. Thank you.